Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open Waze and sign in, then make sure GPS and location permissions are enabled for real-time routing. Once done, enter your destination so Waze can compute available routes. Next, tap the search card and open route options. This is where you control toll preferences. Don't delay on settings. Change them now so Waze recalculates routes without toll segments. This first step saves time, because Waze uses live map data to show alternate roads immediately. Now focus on the middle steps. From the route screen, tap the three-dot menu or route icon, then pick route options. Toggle off the tolls setting or select avoid tolls. Waze will instantly recalculate alternatives. Make sure to compare the suggested routes. Sometimes the toll-free option adds minutes but saves money. If multiple alternative routes appear, pick the one balancing time and distance. Also, check for recent map updates. Outdated maps can hide viable toll-free streets. To finish, select the toll-free route that best fits your priorities and press go. If Waze still offers a toll route, exit navigation, reopen route options, and confirm avoid tolls is active, then restart navigation. If problems persist, clear the app cache or update Waze. This refreshes maps and settings. Finally, if you see an incorrect toll marker, use the report tool to flag the road so the community map edits it. That helps prevent future suggestions for tolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.